Hello my students, today I wanted to show you a very quick video on how to calibrate your pH meter if you're using a pH meter like this or any other pH meter, just so that you're getting correct reading. Okay, so I just finished formulating the product. I wanted to tell you that there are two types of buffer that come with this. There's the pH of 4 and the pH of 6. I've used the pH of 6, this is the pH of 4. But I had this specially made for me. This is a buffer of pH 4. This was made for me, and so I can use it continuously. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of that here. The essence of this is to make sure that you calibrate your pH meter such that when you put it into whatever you want to test the pH of, you're getting a good reading. Okay, so this is it. I'm putting it in my calibrator, and so it should be getting a pH or close to 4. So let me just increase the quantity just in case. You can see it's increasing. You have to make sure that it gets to a pH of about 4. That way, when we put it in the product that we are calibrating, we know that we are getting optimal pH. Okay. So this is how it will go up and up till it gets to the pH that we want it calibrated. You can leave this on so that it keeps going up and up, but I just wanted to show you what that looks like. And so let's say it calibrates. This is the calibrate sign. So I take this off. You want to rinse this in distilled water. Now this is a formula I made. I just want to test the pH. Okay, and so as you can see, it has begun to drop, and so that means we're getting correct pH. Okay, and so the pH of this formulation is about 3.3. Okay, and so that is how you calibrate and read your product's pH. For this, I did 10 grams of my products and 90 grams of water to test the pH of this product. You can also choose to put this directly in the product, but that takes a lot of cleaning and rinsing and all of that, and so I wasn't feeling up to that. Okay, all right guys, bye.